One down, six to go. I have six more exams to do before I can be free. I've already done one out. It's just one. I still have six more. I'm tired. I have one more exam this week, but the issue is I can't focus on studying just the exam because the one I have next week is on Monday and it's two papers in a day, and I have not read either one of the two. So that means I have to read one this week so I can cover up for the time if I read the next one next week. And I'm tired. I am already stressed. I give up. No, I can't give up. I'm just joking. I have this on Thursday. I've done that. Then I have this and this next week Monday. Anyways, I know I'm going to finish in 2 weeks. Before the end of June, I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. That's the only thing keeping me energetic. The fact that I'll be completely done. I'll be free and I can fully focus on embedded systems and French. Because right now I'm just doing it, a little of it, too little for me. Anyways, we're going to study together because I have to study for this. So, this is all the material. I know it looks small. No, it's not small. But it's a lot because it's all theory. And I don't like theory. I hate reading. I really, really hate reading. I don't think you hate reading as much as I do. Reading is not my thing. It's... I'm sorry. I got myself a marker because it turns out I have to teach myself a lot of things. I didn't say that. So the only way I can study without going to sleep is simulating teaching. Oh, I have a terrible teaching handwriting. I can't be a teacher. How are they going to read this? Bullshit. Oh yeah, let me introduce my class. Have you seen my class before? Let me show you. Come here. Say mon chat. Say salut. Hello. Hello. Doesn't like people. Wait, I'm supposed to be studying. This is exactly how my brain works. I get distracted easily. Like extremely easily. I don't even know if that English is correct. I'm supposed to be studying, right? So, let's study. I decided to spend my night studying inside school this time around because I've been sleeping a lot and there's no time to sleep. I have my bag, I have my hoodie because it can be cold at night. So, let's go. Two down, five to go. See you guys next week for another episode of Becoming R as I work towards graduation and completing my exam.